Welcome to my channel Learn Twi with Opoku. As a result of some of our viewers requesting that I use the traditional chalkboard, popularly known as in those days as what? Blackboard. As a result of that, I have come out with this technique, and that is light board. I'm not the one who invented it, someone did. And with this light board, I am not only going to be writing for you to see, but I will also be facing you. Whilst I write, I'll be facing you. This is the advantage of the light board over the traditional chalkboard. With a traditional chalkboard, one has to write whilst his back facing the audience, and sometimes you will be talking to the board, which is a very bad teaching technique. So let's see how this one goes, and if you have any comment, please drop it in the comment box and I'll be there to answer you. So we will continue our first lesson as far as light board is concerned with the 2-letter vocabularies. We started with the consonant B, and we have come as far as to K. In fact, if you take L, that is L, and you combine it or you join it with all the vowels, it will not make any meaningful word. And for that matter, we'll jump L and then go to the next consonant, which is M. And if we take M, we'll get only 3 meaningful words. So we'll also add N to that. So we are taking M and then N. Pair it with the vowels and see what meaningful words that we can get. In fact, the meaningful words that we can get are 1. Ma. That is not all. We'll also get me, and then mo. We'll jump to take N, and N will get no, and then nu. So these are the words that we will get. We will get ma, me, mo, no, nu, and ne. Someone may ask, what are the meanings of these 2-letter vocabularies? Let's take MA, the first one. When we say ma in Twi, ma means to give. So if I want you to give me something, I can say ma me bi. Ma me bi. That is, give me some. Ma me bi. This is how we write it. Ma me bi. That is, give me some. Ma me bi. Ma can also mean let. For instance, I can say ma memra. Ma memra, let me come. Let me come. Ma memra. Ma memra, let me come. So in this sense, ma means what? To let. So we are saying that when we say ma, it could mean to give. So we have ma me bi. Give me some. Give me some. Ma me bi. And then it could also means let. So here we say ma memra. That is, let me come. The next word is me. And this one simply means what? Me. In English, me. And that is all. Me. Me. We can say me din de. Me din de Opoku. Me din de Opoku. My name is Opoku. me din de Opoku. So me means me. This is very simple. So we'll go to the next, and that is mo. 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 And that is what? You. The plural form of you. You. Mo. Plural. You. Mo. And so I can say momra. Momra. That means you come. You come. Momra. Sometimes also we can also change the tone and we say mo. 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 What does that mean? That means well done. Mo. So when you do something good and want to say well done, then we can say mo. 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 Well done. So this is what we have. Ma, which means to give. And so here we say ma me bi, which means give me some. And then here we have ma, which also means what? To let. To let. So here we say mame mra. Mame mra. Mame mra, let me come. Let me come. And then we have me, which means me. Me. And we have mo. Mo. Listen to how it sounds. Mo. Mo. And that is you. Plural form. Mo. And then we have mo. 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 Which means well done. Well done. And then we have no, which means that. So no could mean that. That. So if, for example, you are asking me which one in Twi will say dear or hen, then if I want to say that one, then I will say eno, 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 eno. So no means what? That. It could also mean him or her. For instance, if I want to say give it to him, I will say this. Famano. 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 You see, the no here means him or her. So when I say famano, that means give it to him or give it to her. Famano. It's simple, isn't it? Then we have another vocabulary, and that is nu, nu, nu. Nu could mean one, to stare, two, to comb, and three, to harvest. But here it means to harvest palm fruit. That is all I know. For palm fruit, we use the vocabulary nu to mean to harvest palm fruit. So let us explain. Nu, it could mean, as I've told you, to stir. So if you have some porridge and it's hot and you want it to cool fast, what you do is to what? To stir it. So in Twi we say numu. So we say nu, mu. That is stir it. Stir it. And some people can also say this for short. Num. Num. That is stir it. Stir it. Num. Stir it. And if you have cocoa on a mat we also stir it so that it will dry very fast. That one too, we say num or nunumu, nunukoko numu, nunukoko num. That means stir the cocoa beans. Nunukoko numu. That means stir the cocoa beans. So nu means to stir something. Okay, and then also it could mean to harvest palm fruit. To harvest palm fruit. If you have a palm there, let me see if I can draw. Assuming this is a palm tree with palm fronds, and the fruit is here. And you want to harvest it. In Twi we say nu abeno. Nu abeno, that means pluck the palm fruit or harvest the palm fruit. So we say nu abeno. Nu, that is to harvest. Abe is what? Palm. So nu abe no. Harvest the palm fruits or harvest the palm. Our last vocabulary that we will also learn as far as this lesson is concerned is ne. Ne. What does that mean? Ne could mean his or her. For example, if we say ne papa, it means what? His father or her father. So when we say ne, it could mean his or her. For example, we have ne papa. Papa means father. So this means his father or her father. In Twi, it's not like English that we say his, which means masculine, and then her, which means feminine. In Twi, we have just one word. And if I say Ama, Ama is a name of a girl. So if I say Ama's father, or if we are talking about Ama, and then I say ne papa, then you know the ne refers to what? Her. So her father, ne papa. Ne could also mean and. And. It could mean a conjunction word. And that is what? And. For instance, look at this sentence. I want you to tell me the meaning. Ne maame, ne papa. Ne maame, ne papa. Here is what? The ne here, you know, stand for what? His. His mother and his father. Ne maame, ne papa. His mother and his father. So you see that ne here is serving as what? A conjunction. And that means what? And. But the one here means his or her. Her mother and her father. That is all time will permit us. If you like the lesson, and you want to follow me so that any lesson that I make, you'll be notified, then kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.